Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video I will be doing a Louis Vuitton unboxing. So finally I got this beautiful item that I purchased on Instagram. So I got this from Foxy LV Den on Instagram. So she has a consignment store run by Foxy LV. So wow, I totally did not expect that I was able to get this. I mean, this has been on my wish list for such a long time, but I am really so particular with when purchasing this item. I am so particular with the condition of the item. So when she posted this on an Instagram, on her consignment store on Instagram, I looked at it, I quickly looked at all the photos, and I said, oh wow, this is perfection. And also the price. And I totally just jumped in it and purchased it, and wow. Also, with the Foxy LV Den, she's so quick with her shipping. I got this in basically like 1 business days because we live in the same state. So the transaction went so well, so quickly. So now I got this beauty. This is part of my wish list. I've been wanting this for such a long time for so many reasons, for a lot of reasons. So it was actually wrapped like this. I have already opened it. And this purchase came in with this mask. Look at that. This Louis Vuitton monogram mask. Very nice though. Wow, I've actually never seen like this before. Thank you for this. Wow, very exciting freebie. And also she gave me a note right here that's coming from her. It says, thank you. Okay, love, Foxy. Very lovely. I love those notes. So here comes, oh my gosh, I'm so excited for this. She actually, oh, look at that. This one came in with a confetti. Wow. Which is even make it more exciting. Oh, wow. Okay. So here comes. Are you guys ready? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. She's so beautiful. Wow. Oh my gosh. Wow. She is so beautiful. Look at this, guys. This is a Louis Vuitton Troville and a multicolor by Takashi Murakami. Wow. So Takashi Murakami, he actually collaborated with Louis Vuitton, and this particular item, the multicolor, so it is like a colorful version of the classic monogram. So this was released in spring and summer of 2003, if I'm not mistaken. So the Takashi Murakami collection debuted in 2003. Wow. Look at this, guys. Oh my gosh. I remember when this was released years ago, and wow, during that time I still couldn't afford it because I was still in college. And wow, this is such a iconic and is such a wonderful collaboration with the Takashi Murakami and Louis Vuitton, guys. Look at that colorful. Wow, the color is so vibrant. Well, look at this really eye-catching, beautiful colors of the monogram, guys. Wow. As I could see right here, as a quick glance to it, the color is so crisp. Wow. So vibrant. The color, this one has a lot of different colors around it. Oh my goodness. Look at that. It is so stunning, guys. The side, the bottom. Oh my goodness. Wow. It says that this one has a 33 different colors. Wow. absolutely gorgeous. So this has been on my wish list for quite some time, and I have been looking at in a lot of resale markets on this particular piece, and wow, absolutely this highly coveted pieces after all this time. This one's still priced as around above $1,000, but in my case, I got this less than $1,000, and I am so excited and I'm so happy that I got it in that price. And on top of that, the condition is excellent. It's great. And look at this one right here, as you guys could see the trimming right here. This one is in a natural vachetta leather trim with those stud embellishment around it, which is, this one has a gold hardware though. Beautiful hardware. Wow. I mean, let me just open this one first, and I just really wanted to make it sure, just to make it sure the age for this bag and the year that this one is manufactured. So the date code for this is, so this was made in 2010. Wow. So that what makes it like what, 11 years old? And wow, the hardware for this is still amazing for an 11-year-old bag. I mean, I'm totally surprised with this particular piece. When I saw it on the photos, that the vachetta right here, it's still looking pretty nice after all this time. It is expected that there's going to be a lot of wear on the handle, the Toron handle. That's because where, you know, your oils from your hand, so that is expected. But aside from that, it's still looking pretty great. Wow, look at that. It's like, it's so beautiful. It looks like, oh my gosh, it has a little bit of a patina though, but it's amazing. Oh wow, I could not believe that I was able to get this. That I was, oh my gosh. I mean, I don't know, there's probably, she has a lot of followers though, and each time she posted something, I got a notification, and when I saw this, I was like, oh my gosh, I really, really wanted this. I hope she's gonna respond. But yes, thank you so much for having me this, Foxy. Oh my goodness. And pretty much I'm not sure if I'm going to be using this, because I was thinking of to preserve this just to add it in my collection. That's because of, yeah, this is like more likely one of the highly sought after vintage bag. And this one came in with Alma as well, and also a Speedy. But I like this one, the Troville one. That's because this one right here at the bottom, there is no vachetta at all. The natural vachetta leather. So the Alma is also nice, but that one has a vachetta, which I am like, so I got go crazy with all vachettas at the bottom, and also the Speedy. But this one is more likely reminds me of the yeah, it is an Alma, my Demi Ibn Alma, that is carefree. So yeah, this one has a gold hardware right here at the bottom that serves as the feet. Wow, wow, at a glance at it, this one is excellent condition. Wow, I was trying to check if there's any sort of chipping on the monogram, because sometimes, like, of course, like later on as the time goes by, this flowers here, it started to fade and chip. But for this one, I am just totally blown away that looking at it right now, it seems to look like it's so crisp, it's so vivid, and it's like so beautiful. The color is amazing. Wow. Wow, I got so lucky. I was very, very lucky though. Very, very lucky for this piece. So anyway, this one has a zipper closure right here. as you guys could see, it opens like this. The inside has those microfiber lining. More likely, this color is more likely a taupe color. And the inside is actually pretty clean. Oh, wow. Look at that. Another thing also that I considered in purchasing a vintage bag is the interior. That the interior is also in pretty good condition, that I don't need to clean it. And this one, for some reason, there is actually no stain at all. And on top of that, there's no odor. Even though this is vintage, you could actually smell a little bit of like a vintage smell to it. But this one, so far, I didn't smell that at all. Wow. This one has a pockets right here on this side. On this side as well. Wow. So I got this one. Let me see. This is a Louis Vuitton Paris made in France. Wow. It was actually engraved on this. On the microfiber cloth. And also the date code as well. It's also engraved right here on the microfiber cloth. So yeah, fine. I mean, guys, if you are in the hunt of these, I mean, I think she still have one of these, which is on a speedy ones, and actually it's also priced pretty good. So you might consider, if you want to get any of the vintage and also any Louis Vuitton pieces, Foxy LV has it on her consignment store on Instagram. You might want to check her listings right there. And yeah, there is a lot of eye candies, a lot of interesting stuff that she's actually posting, and also the price as well is pretty reasonable. And yeah, this one is actually crafted beautifully. The reason also why I wanted to add this in my collection, because of during those times in 2000s, year 2003, when this one was still crafted, it's like the high level. This one is actually crafted to the highest level of craftsmanship though. So that's why, look, I mean, 11 years old and still looking pretty, like it looks like new, except for the handle, which is expected. Look at that. And the canvas, this one is made up of coated canvas, and the canvas is so thick, very thick material. This is how it looks in the inside. Let me check. Wow, it looks like the inside here pocket, she actually never used it, because it was still in a pristine condition. And wow, the monogram flowers are still intact. Wow, so beautiful. So that speaks for its craftsmanship though. So actually, Louis Vuitton last year during the holiday, Nicolas Gasquier actually has its own take on this colorful monogram. But I like this one even better. I like this one compared to the Nicolas Gasquier. That's because of the beautiful pop of colors, the vibrant colors. Oh my goodness. That's why I actually opted into getting this one. And wow, I still can't get over of how lovely this is. I mean, this one is also available in the white color, which is actually, you know, you have to be very careful with that. That's because of, you know, you could easily get, because of the color itself. And that one has a red interior, which I love. But regardless, I got what I wanted, and I am so happy. And yeah, definitely gonna recommend this piece. This is a Louis Vuitton limited edition Takashi Murakami collection, and I think they have with Louis Vuitton, I think Takashi Murakami collaborated with them. I think it started in 2002 and ended in 2015 as far as I remember. And I think when this was discontinued in 2015 with the Takashi, I think Takashi Murakami is actually considered as one of the longest artist that has ever collaborated with Louis Vuitton up to date, I think. So yeah, I love that beautiful pop of colors right there. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I could start using this one right now, but like I mentioned, I wanted to preserve the beauty of these because this one is, you could still buy this one in a lot of resale market, but I know the price is skyrocketing. And I've actually still saw this in other resale market, which it depends on the condition though. In this condition, I think I've seen it for around $2,000. But then again, this is a limited edition piece, a highly coveted piece, so I wouldn't be surprised. So yeah, this is my newest baby, my newest item in my collection. And a nice thing also about this beautiful piece is that you don't need to put any embellishment at all, because those beautiful pop of colors are already, like this one right here, the gold hardware is serve as its embellishment. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. Wow, so beautiful. She actually took care of this purse, guys, for so many years. She actually took care of this, and I'm so happy that I was able to purchase it, and the condition is excellent. Wow, excellent conditions. I would definitely gonna recommend Foxy LV Den's consignment store on Instagram. You might want to check it out. So anyway, that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.